We are here not to witness, but to celebrate your triumph after years of hard work, sacrifices, at walang humpay na pagpupursige. Passing the licensure examination is no more a small feat. Alam na lahat kung gaano kahirap ang proseso. Sleepless night, endless review, and the pressure of expectation. But today, all of that has become true. Remember, kayo po ang inaasahan ng bayan sa mga makabagong solusyon para sa enerhiya, industriya, transportasyon, infrastruktura, at marami pang iba.
So what's up guys, outtaking day namin as a mechanical engineer.
Congrats, engineer. Yan ang araw ng iyong outtaking. Salamat sa Diyos. Sa Diyos ang kapulihan, sa iyong tagumpay na natata mo. What's up, guys?
Boss, good morning boss. Baka meron naka-GoPro? Bili mo. Okay.
Hindi kayo kasama. Yan ba yung mga
Nagagastos sa mga pamasahe, pero magagastos sa mga ganyan. Boss.
Kaya pala makakuha niya yung mga ganda eh.
Hindi mo, ngayon pa lang pare gamitin.
Ha?
Ngayon pa lang pare gamitin.
May makuha mo malalayo yung makalilina.
Ito po, cellphone. Okay. Build our vehicle.
Bakit?
So, yan pala ang suot. Dati ganito ang suot. Ito pala ang suot ko kasi nga ay maulan.
Nice.
Edit.
Nice.
Masaya ka ba? September 21, 2025. Taking ng mga engineers. Ano ba engineer?
Tapos yung 8K ko.
Hope? Hope? 8K sa 8K per day ho, are. Yan na, kompleto na. Oh. Pasay na. Lunch done. Okay, baby, some time na. Change clothes. From this one. Yeah, outtaking day, September 21, 2025. Pagang! Boss, welcome. All! Once in a lifetime. Bago talaga magpapolo ba rin? Pag pwede yung polo ba rin, papolo ba rin ako? May isa ba? Okay, on the way to SMX. Let's go, SMX. Engineer? Ano ba si engineer? Literal na engineer na nagsusukat-sukat na ho ng kung ano-ano.
To my fellow newly registered mechanical engineers, good day, isang maayo at mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. First of all, I can't truly put into words how I'm feeling right now. Honestly, back then, I never really imagined myself standing here, speaking in front of all these amazing people. It's true that college was fun, but it also gave me some of the hardest times of my life. Thank you. Thank you sa pagising, sa pagsama sa pagsisimba, sa pagdamay sa saing at ulam, sa tawanan, iyakan at suporta. Maraming salamat. To my angel, my very loving girlfriend.
You know?
Hindi po, joke lang. Kumbagay practice lamang. But kidding aside, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the professors of Batangas State University,
Sarap.
as well as to my instructors and my mentors during the review. Sir Aloria, Sir Tristan, Sir Alcorcon, and Sir Armenian. Thank you.
Guys, so change outfit kasi pinayagan ng short sleeve na barong. So, let's do this. So, yeah. Second outfit. And now I'm ready to go. Taking as a mechanical engineer. SMX Convention Center. And this will be my total outfit.